everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1974 Plymouth Duster. Just a great little car, guys. Georgia body, rock solid body, runs and drives excellent. Just a clean, straight little Mopar, guys. This is it's a frost green metallic. You can see it's got the white side stripe with the 318 call outs on the rear quarter. It's got a off-white or kind of a parchment interior, factory 318. It's got aftermarket AC, front disc brakes, and just a killer little car, man. 904 automatic trans, 8¼ rear end, no big gear. This is just a good, straight, clean little Mopar, guys. 15-inch torque thrust, new rubber all the way around it. It's got some aftermarket gauges in there with an aftermarket billet steering wheel. I dig it. I think it's a clean, straight car. I think it'll be a lot of fun for somebody. And again, another car that you don't have to break the bank for. Runs and drives excellent. The lights and everything on it works. Good car. Real good car. I like the color combo. You can see they've updated the headlights on it. You can nitpick some of the bright work on it, but it's still very nice. Bumpers are original and they have a few little marks on them. Pretty frost green metallic paint. I wish we were in the sunshine. Hopefully when Jordy pulls it out here, we'll still have the sun out here. We're kind of in the shadows right now up against the building. But when we pull it out, I think you'll really dig this car, man. It's a really vibrant color. The car's just got a good look to it. You can see the dash is nice in there. The glass is all real nice. Paint is slick. It's got the pop-out rear windows. Inside hood release, Jordy. It's a 74. Got to teach these young guys. Glass is nice. It's got the fold down rear seat, which is super cool. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. Just a clean, straight Mopar. Little touch-up mark there in the paint. There's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this paint, guys. It's nice. You can see the car's nice and straight down the sides. It sits good. It's got a good look to it. Dual exhaust, those chrome tips. Again, you kind of nitpick the bumpers a little. But I wouldn't do anything to this car, man. Turn the key and go have a blast with it. 15-inch torque thrust style wheels. It's got the front disc brakes. It's nice and clean underneath. The floors are nice and clean on the car. Again, nice little running 318. It's an original 318 car, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake on it, just a mild cam to it. You see it's got the finned aluminum valve covers on it, electronic ignition, power steering, stock exhaust manifolds, 904 automatic transmission. It's aftermarket AC, Mopar radiator with a shroud. It's got all the owner's manuals in the glove box for the car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I've been counting them up in the building here. There's about 10 new cars If you see something online that says coming soon or sneak peek, call the guys. A lot of times they can get you more photos of the car. Send them on your cell phone. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. There's your door tag. Doors are nice and clean. Again, it's got this off-white or parchment looking interior in it. Pretty color combo. Factory bench seat. It's got the aftermarket billet steering wheel in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Again, fold down rear seat. Headliner's in good shape. Again, billet steering wheel. It's got all custom Autometer gauges in it. We do have the factory gauge cluster on. I think there's 4,000 miles on the restoration. I think it's shown on the odometer here. And the original odometer, aftermarket radio in it with the aftermarket kick pads down there. The original odometer shows 70,000. We got that in the trunk. Again, dual exhaust, 8 1/4 rear end, no big gear. It's definitely something to get on the expressway and cruise in. Just clean, man. Everywhere you look, this car is just a good, clean car. It was in the Good Guys magazine, so that's why it's in there. There's your original dash. 70,714 was the original miles on it, factory jack. Got it up on the hoist. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car. And like I say, a great driver. Car hits the road real good. I think this is a neat little car, man. Fun car to just cruise around in. Again, cool color combo. It's got air. Personally, I'm not an air guy, but I know a lot of people love that AC. Seats are nice. Again, dash is nice. I think that insert's pretty cool. Lights up red, which is cool. The blower motor works, the air works, the radio works. Have Jordy fired up here. AC blows cold. Good running 318, guys. See, all your gauges are working. Tach works. Yeah, 4136 on the odometer. Backup lights work. That's a neat little car, man. Again, radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. It really changes on a daily basis. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. We'll get that car out in the sunlight, I think, here in a second. Pretty car, man.